In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find and share the Spotify code of every song. Very simple and easy. So I think there's a feature that a lot of promoters do use. So if you're an artist and you release a song, you just add the Spotify code to it. So when someone scans it, automatically they find the song on Spotify without even searching or anything like that. Now to get the Spotify code of this song here, just like I said, every song has a QR code. What you need to do is tap on the three buttons there at the top right corner of your screen. And now the options, let's scroll down, and you can see show Spotify code. Now tap on that. Good. And you can see this is the QR code. So the QR code is inserted inside the wave thing you see there beside the Spotify logo. That's where the QR code is being inserted. So you just download this image, and then if it's a flyer, you paste it on the flyer. Once someone has a mobile phone and they try to scan, they are going to they will be redirected to your song immediately. So right now you can pause the video and then scan this code you see. You'll be redirected to this song on Spotify. So that's it on how you find and also share QR code or Spotify code of songs on Spotify. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video once again. Peace.